If you have a lot of things to count, counting by ones can take a long time, but help is on the way. You can count by twos, threes, fives, tens, really by any number. Using what's called skip counting can make the counting go much faster. In this video, we'll look at examples of how to skip count by twos, fives, and tens. Let's start with an example. Shoes come in pairs, or in groups of two. Here are 4 pairs of tennis shoes. Now, we could count the shoes by ones, but let's skip count by twos. Here's how to do it. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 8 shoes total. Here's a number line that shows the numbers from 1 to 20. Here's 1 and here's 20. This is what skip counting from 1 to 20 looks like. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Notice how the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 repeat. This pattern continues with skip counting beyond 20. Let's look at another example. Here are 4 $5 bills. To find the total amount of money this is, we should count by fives. Here's how. 5, 10, 15, 20. So there are a total of $20. Here's a number line that shows the numbers from 1 to 20. This is what skip counting by fives from 1 to 20 looks like. 5, 10, 15, 20. Notice how the numbers 5 and 0 repeat. This pattern continues with skip counting beyond 20. Let's look at a final example. Packages of colored pencils come in groups of 10. There are 5 packages of colored pencils. What's the total number of colored pencils? Since they're packaged in groups of 10, we skip count by tens to find the total. Here's how. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there is a total of 50 pencils. This number line shows the 2 steps involved in skip counting from 1 to 20. The repeating pattern of zeros makes skip counting by tens the easiest of all. Here's how to skip count to 100 starting at 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. See how much quicker it is to use skip counting? Save time. Skip count your way to success.